How to remove someone from a WhatsApp group on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove a member from a group chat on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Open the group conversation you want to manage. From there, tap on the group name at the top to open the group info page. At this point, scroll down to the participants section to view all current members. From there, tap on the name of the person you want to remove. After that, tap on Remove from Group. In the next step, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap on Remove again to finalize the action. From there, the person will be immediately removed from the group and will no longer receive messages from it. Once done, go back to the group info page and confirm they are no longer listed under participants. Following this, keep in mind that only group admins have the ability to remove members, so make sure you have admin permissions before attempting this. From here, if you want to check your admin status, go to the group info page and look for the word admin next to your name in the participants list. At this stage, if you are not an admin, you will need to ask an existing admin to either remove the person or make you an admin first. Finally, go back to the group and confirm the remaining participants are correct and the removed person no longer has access. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove someone from a WhatsApp group, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.